Have you ever felt completely disconnected from your body? Like what you truly need is right in front of you, but you just can't seem to see it. As if it's a dance, but you don't know the steps yet? What I'm talking about is something deep, something society often tries to erase, the cyclical power of women. And I'm here to invite you to explore this power. Today, we're going to talk about how what you put into your body, especially supplements, can transform your journey through the phases of your menstrual cycle. I know what you might be thinking, but Clara, how can something so simple make such a big difference? Well, stay with me until the end because I promise you'll understand in a way you never imagined. When we talk about women's health, we're talking about something much deeper. We're talking about ancestry, connection with the sacred feminine. We're talking about reclaiming what we once were and what we can become. What do you know about your cycle? I'm not just talking about the days when you menstruate, but about the phases that weave your whole being, shaping your emotions, energy, and creativity. The female cycle isn't just biology. It's a deep connection with the earth, with the moon, with the very flow of life.
During the menstrual phase, when the blood flows, it's like the body is asking for a pause, a moment of introspection, of renewal. Have you ever felt the need to withdraw when you're menstruating? This is your body asking for rest, for balance. Supplements like iron and magnesium can be powerful allies during this time, helping replenish what is lost, restoring energy, and preventing the pains that often steal our focus and peace. Now thinking about this, how many times have you felt misunderstood, or worse, ignored by your own body? Sometimes, we need to learn to listen to what is right in front of us, yet seems invisible. I'd love to know, how have you connected with your cycles? If you feel comfortable, share in the comments. Maybe what you say will help another woman understand what she's going through. The follicular phase is a rebirth. After the menstrual period comes the time for renewal, for creation. Your body is beginning to prepare for receiving, for growing. During this phase, you may feel more energetic, more alive. This is when your power of achievement and creativity is at its peak. To match this energy, supplements like vitamin B complex, folic acid, and vitamin D can be your perfect allies. They help improve energy, mental clarity, and even motivation. But there's something deeper behind all this. In the follicular phase, your body is speaking about the need to realign your energy with your essence. Have you ever thought about that? How many times in your life have you felt invigorated without knowing where this energy came from? The secret lies in the phases, and supplements can amplify this inner wisdom. Now we reach ovulation, the peak of energy, the moment of expansion. Your sexual, creative, and expressive energy is at its peak. It's when you feel more confident, when your beauty shines from the inside out. During this phase, vitamin E and zinc can help keep your skin radiant and your energy vitalized. If you've noticed that your confidence grows, your energy increases, and your creativity overflows during this time, know that all of this is interconnected with your body's power to create, to give life, whether physical or emotional. And at this moment, maybe you begin to realize something deep. Each phase of your cycle has a purpose, an ancestral wisdom that you may have never heard before. Do you feel it? The energy of the universe flowing through you. It's not just biology, it's pure spirituality. Have you honored that?
Now think with me. How many times throughout your life have you felt misunderstood by your own body? Have you stopped to reflect on how it communicates with you between the lines? If you've had a significant change from respecting your cycles, tell me in the comments. Maybe your story will help another woman find healing, connection with her own being. We've reached the luteal phase, where the body begins to prepare for rest, for the closing of the cycle. During this phase, progesterone increases, and many women may feel emotional fluctuations. There may be more anxiety, more need for introspection. Here, supplements of vitamin B6 and calcium are perfect for helping balance mood, ease tension, and reduce symptoms like irritability. But what you need to understand is that this phase isn't a defect, it's not a mistake. On the contrary, it's your feminine energy preparing for transformation. This is the moment of deep introspection, where the body asks you to pause and reflect on everything that's happened so far. It calls you to listen, and often it calls you to heal. I know this might be new to some of you. Many women have been taught to ignore these phases, to treat the cycle as something that needs to be suppressed. But the truth is, by honoring these phases and nourishing the body with the right supplements, we reconnect with our deepest essence, with the sacred feminine that exists within each of us. So if you haven't yet had the courage to listen to yourself, to respect these phases and hear what your body has to say, I invite you to reflect. How have you been taking care of yourself? How have you honored your body? Now, if you felt connected to what's been said here, if you believe your body deserves to be honored and cared for with the same intensity with which you care for others, subscribe to the channel, because here we will always share and take care of one another, but only if you're truly ready to reconnect with the sacred feminine within you. Let's do this together.